English speaking course.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Where are you arriving from?
I am from London.
What's the purpose of your visit?
Business. I'm here for a conference.
How long are you staying in the U.S.?
A week.
Where are you staying in?
In San Francisco at the Pacific View Hotel.
Do you know anybody here?
Yes. Mark Ryder.
Is the family or a friend?
He's a colleague and a friend.
Do you have his phone number?
Yes, his mobile is 4056557182.
Is this your first visit to the U.S.?
Yes, it is.
Enjoy your stay in San Francisco. Thank you, Allie.
Hi.
Hi, Mark.
You look great.
You, too. How are you?
I'm fine. How was the flight?
Long. 11 hours.
Oh, you must be really tired.
Yes. I couldn't sleep at all. What's the time here? I need to change my watch.
7 o'clock in the morning.
It's 3 o'clock in the morning for me.
Okay, I'm gonna take you right to the hotel and you could rest.
Fine.
You are gonna love San Francisco. I'm so pleased you came.
Me too. It's great to see you again.
Good morning, Mom. How can I help you?
Good morning. I have a reservation. My name's Ali Gray. I'm here for the MTC conference.
Up here it is Miss Gray. For 6 nights?
That's right.
Okay, Miss Gray. Here's your key. You're in room 419 on the 4th floor.
Thank you. What time's breakfast?
From 7 o'clock to 9 o'clock in the Pavilion restaurant on the 6th floor.
Thanks. Where's the lift?
The elevators are over there.
Thanks.
Do you need any help with your bag?
Yes, please.
Hello. Reception.
Hello, this is room 419.
How can I help you?
I have a problem with the air conditioning. It isn't working and it's very hot in my room.
I'm sorry, ma'am. I'll send someone up to look at it right now.
Thank you.
Room server. How can I help you?
Hello, this is room 419. Can I have a tuna sandwich, please?
Whole wheat or white bread?
Whole wheat, please?
With or without milk?
Without.
French fries or salad?
Salad, please?
Anything drink?
Yes,
With
a
ice and
Diet
lemon?
Coke. Justice.
Yours be there in 5 minutes, Mom.
Thank you.
Here you go, Ali. A cappuccino Caesar remembered.
Well done. Thanks.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, very well.
How are things?
They are fine. What are the plans for the week?
Well, today we don't have any free time. But tomorrow I'm going to take you to this great little restaurant.
Oh, that sounds good.
And then on Wednesday night, there's a cocktail party here at the hotel. And then a conference dinner on Thursday. Is there anything special you want to do?
Well, I'd like to see the bay and the Golden Gate Bridge. And I'd like to go shopping this time.
Hi Mark, how are you doing?
Hi, Brad, I'm fine, just fine.
Aren't you going to introduce me?
Oh sure. Ali, this is Brad Martin. Brad works in Los Angeles office. Brad, this is Ali Gray from the London office.
Hello.
Hi Ali. Great to meet you. Mark told me you were very nice. But he didn't tell me you were so beautiful. So, is this your first time in San Francisco?
Yes, it is.
Ali, it's time to go. Excuse, Brad.
Well, great to meet you, Ali. I'll see you around.
Yes, nice to meet you, too.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, to start a tomato and mozzarella salad. Is that right now?
Yes.
And the mushroom soup for me.
And for your main course?
I'll have the fried chicken.
With French fries or a baked potato?
A baked potato, please.
And for you, sir?
And I'd like the steak with French fries.
How do you like your steak? Rare, medium, well done.
Rare, please.
And to drink?
Could you bring us the wine list, please?
Chicken for you, ma'am. And steak for you, sir?
I'm sorry, but I asked for a baked potato, not fries.
No problem. I'll change it.
Excuse me.
Yes, sir.
I asked for my steak rare and this is well done.
I'm very sorry. I'll send it back to the kitchen.
Could we have the check, please?
Yes, sir. Your check.
Excuse me. I think there's a mistake in the check. We only had 2 glasses of wine, not a bottle.
Yes, you're right. I'm very sorry. It's not my day today.